name is Maris, and today I'll be showing you what's inside the Pool eXact Easy Starter Kit. We open the kit like this at the top. We'll lift the cover. Here we have the instruction manual, the Pool eXact Easy photometer, cleaning brush for cleaning the cell, and 6 reagents provided, namely free chlorine DPD1, combined chlorine DPD3, calcium hardness, pH, total alkalinity, and cyanuric acid. All the tests are reagent strips, and 25 of each, except for the cyanuric acid that is a dropper and holds 60 tests. When you do the free and combined chlorine, the meter will automatically calculate the total chlorine as well. It is also worth mentioning that this meter can also do copper, chloride, and phosphate. These reagents are not included in the kit, but you can buy them separately or to choose a different kit, such as an advanced kit that will have all the reagents inside. The Pool eXact Easy photometer has a plastic built-in cell that cannot be taken out, and you can't lose it. We use a brush to clean the cell like this. We recommend using the brush before and after each test session. At the bottom of the meter you have a cap that you can use to stop the light from interfering when zeroing and reading the result. You can also use this cap for mixing the cyanuric acid reagents. At the bottom of the meter you also have the battery chamber that you can unscrew with a screwdriver, like this. Take the screw out, take the cap off, and you have a battery chamber. The Pool eXact Easy uses standard AAA batteries, 4 of them, and there's a marking inside on how to use them properly. You can get these batteries at any convenience store. 4. Then replace this cap. Hold it down like this. Put the screw in. And then tighten it with a screwdriver. We recommend not to over tighten the screw, as only tightening it snug is enough. The water still won't get in, as there is an O-ring and the meter will be waterproof. Now we're going to do some tests. We'll take the Pool eXact Easy meter and we turn it on by pressing the on button. Then we get some water in the cell and take the brush and clean the cell with the brush. It is important that the cell is clean for more accurate results. Then we rinse the cell 3 times. And finally we fill it up to the top. Then we choose our test by pressing and repressing the menu button until we see the test that we want to do. We're going to be doing free and combined chlorine, which is the Cl3 menu. Then we take the cap, place it over the cell, and press 0. Zeros are shown. We take the free chlorine DPD1 reagent and take 1 reagent strip out. Then we press the read button and move the strip like this back and forth. It also gives you a 20-second countdown timer. During these 20 seconds you just move the strip like this to make sure the right amount of reagent is being released. Remove the strip at 1 and wait for the result to be shown. We get the result of free chlorine here. If we want to continue to the combined chlorine, we can do this in the same water. We'll place the cap over, press 0, This is the only test you will be doing in the same water. For every other test, you would need to dump the water, clean it again, and get a fresh water sample. But for this, it's called combined chlorine DPD3. We'll be using the same water sample that we just used for free chlorine. We take one reagent strip out of DPD3. Press read. It again gives you a 20-second countdown timer, and we just move the strip back and forth just the same way as we did for free chlorine. By having the DPD3 separately, you can actually save money and not buy DPD4. Place the cap over again when reading. Now we will have combined chlorine calculated on the screen. If you would like to see total chlorine, you can press read again, and it will show you the total chlorine value straight away. So you get three results: free chlorine, combined chlorine, and total chlorine by only doing 2 steps. Now we're going to dump the water. Get some fresh water in, brush the cell with a brush. Rinse out the cell 3 times. Rinse out the cap. And then fill it up to the top. Let's move on to the pH test. I'm going to press and repress the menu button until we see pH 2. Place the cap over the cell and press 0. Take the pH reagent . Press read. Again, 20-second countdown, and you just need to move the strip back and forth like this so the right amount of reagent is being released. Remove the strip at 1 and place the cap over the cell for reading. The result is being shown on the screen. Then we can dump the water. Clean it out with the brush again. Rinse it 3 times. Rinse the cap. And that's it. You can continue doing all the other tests as well in the same manner. The Pool eXact Easy photometer also has a memory. For each of the menus in the memory of the Pool eXact Easy, there are 20 slots for memory. So if we want to see the memory, we need to select the menu button and find the menu that we want to see the memory in. So let's say we're going to find the chlorine readings that we just did. So we're going to find the CL3 menu, which we just shown there for a second, which means we are now in the chlorine menu. If we're going to press and hold the menu button down now, it will count backwards the results that we just did, starting from the latest and going back to the more older ones. So first we're going to press it down, and then it shows the 7th reading, and the 6th reading was that, and the 5th reading was that. They go backwards because we did free chlorine, combined chlorine, and total chlorine. They will go backwards now. First one was total chlorine, then combined chlorine, then free chlorine, and so forth. If we want to stop, we can release the button and it will hold and stop at the menu, at the result that that was shown last. Same way, if we want to see the pH results, we press until we find pH. It shows the latest one was 7.2, and then we hold it down, and then it shows we done 2 tests, and they were both the same. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, where you can find more demos, tutorials, and other useful videos. In the description below, you can find more useful information relating to this video.